Hi everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to make a tutorial for this textbook set. And if you buy from Amazon, you will get both big size and a small size in the set. And if you buy on AliExpress, you will need to choose, you will see two options, one for big size and one for small size. And since we already had a tag mini album set that we released in early this year, I will show you the size difference since they are quite similar in the shape. So this is the mini album set, and here you can see the size difference. So this one is much larger than the big size. And for in this tutorial, I did use this border die to create the border for the pockets. And this one is also from the tag mini album set. And I will use the small die as our example. So here I want to show again for this book tag that I made earlier. So it looks like this. I layered two up, and you could layer more up to make more multiple pages. And so it looks like this. And I make a pocket here. Here you could add the photo here. And for this part, I made it with this clear acetate, so you could see through to see the inside. So I have cut this out since you will only get this piece and this piece as the small set. So you will see there is no extra cutting dies, because if you want to create the shaker space, you need to cut just this part on foam and then trim off the extra part just to make this shaker part. And if you want to make the basic part for the shaker, you need to trim off this part, so you will only get this part. We made all this part out, then it will be double of the price. And since this is not hard to do, you only need to trim off the extra part, and it's really simple to do. And I think it's better that you could save some money for buying this set. Otherwise, it will be double of the size, and the price will be double. So that's why we made it in this way. So I have cut this piece out and cut this foam here, so I trim off this extra part. And for this basic part, I also trim off the extra part to make it. It's really simple to make this foam part and make this basic part. And then I also made some pockets, so I also just cut this piece out and trim off the extra part to make a pocket here. And then I made these two star borders to decorate this part. So let's start. And you also need an acetate paper here, right? Since it's a triangle shape, so I just fussy cut this acetate paper, which I think will be faster than using this die set. So glue this acetate paper on this part. And fold it around the folding lines. And now before you adding this foam on top, you need to make a decision that for this part that you use to close the book, you could use it like this way. See, you stick it at this part and then fold it like so to close it like this. This is one way to close your book. In this way, you could hang it. It's like a hanger that you could hang it on anything that you want. And there is another way to do is that you close it like this way. So if you want to make it in this way, you need to glue this part here like so, and then put the foam on top, so it will close like this. See, it will close like this. So yeah, there are two ways for you to choose, and you could choose either option. And this time I still choose to close it like this way. So I will stick this part here. Now add the foam on top. Now adding the sequins inside. And now if you want to make your shaker part see-through, then you could use an acetate paper here again and then close it with this piece so it could be see-through. Or if you want to make it with a background, then you could use this paper just to cover it. So here you can see the front side of this shaker part, and then I use another paper to cover the back side and add a pocket here. So stick this part on top. And now trim off the extra part and stick these three sides to make the pocket. So here this pocket is ready to go. And let's do the same to this part. Add a background paper here. And do the same to this pocket part. So this pocket is also ready. And if you want to close it like this way, what I did is that I make a how to say this? I made this thing here, and I just use this strip to close it like this and stick it on the back side. So it will look like this. And now add this reinforcement here. So this is the front side, and this is the inner part that I made two pockets here, and this is the back side. So if you want to make more pages like this way, like this one, then you need to do the same progress and just stick them together like this way. And if you want to hide this part, then you could cut a cardstock here just to hide this hinge part. So I think this would be a very fun set. Yeah, the only thing that is different is that you need to make this basic part and this the foam part by yourself, just to trim off the extra part. This is the only difference to the other shaker crafts that you have in your stash. So this is the tutorial for today, and if you have any questions, please just let me know. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.